What's the difference between local SEO and SEO? Well, SEO is primarily related to your website. You want to have your website be fast, have calls to action, so easy for prospects to be able to contact you for a quote, phone, form, chat, all those things so a customer can communicate. Some people like text. We can do some SMS conversion on your website. And then page load speed. Like that thing needs to load quickly when you click on a link. There's nothing worse than doing search results, going to search results, clicking on your result, and then the website not loading. Well, we make sure that your website loads, and that's all part of SEO. But local SEO gets intent to the location, thus local SEO. Most people looking for a service in your local area are going to go to Google Maps first. And so you want to make sure that all the things around your location and your local intent are done as well.